Hello everyone. Warm welcome to All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Pune, Maharashtra. I, Mrs. Kulkarni Sheetal V, Assistant Professor from Department of Instrumentation Engineering, AISSMS IOIT, Pune, Maharashtra. In this video, I am going to discuss flame photometer. Objective of this video: to learn the working of flame photometer, to understand the application area of flame photometer. Flame photometer is an instrument which is used for the determination of unknown concentration in a liquid sample solution. From the flame photometer, we can identify the unknown percentage of sodium, potassium, lithium and calcium based on the measurement of intensity of the light emitted when a metal is introduced into flame. The principle of flame photometer is: in sample, unknown metal particles convert into aerosol form. The solid particles move towards the flame where the gaseous atom and ions are produced. The ions absorb the energy from the flame and excited to high energy level. When the atoms return to ground state, radiation of the characteristics element is emitted. The intensity of emitted light is related to the concentration of the element. This is the block diagram of flame photometer, which consists of three parts. Part 1, emission system, consists of sample, atomizer, fuel supply and oxygen supply. Part 2, selection system, consists of monochromator, slit and photodetector. Part 3, recording system, consists of amplifier, recorder and meter. Different components in flame photometer are sample, atomizer, monochromator, fuel manometer, oxygen manometer, photodetector and display system. Now we will see the functions of component in block diagram of flame photometer. Sample is in liquid form where we have to identify the unknown concentration of sodium or potassium, calcium or lithium. Atomizer, which convert the sample into aerosol form. Compressor is a component which provide the oxygen supply with requirement of 25 Lubin gauge. In fuel system, LPG gas cylinder provides the fuel with requirement of 10 Lubin gauge. Burner provides the flame from the input of atomizer, oxygen and fuel system. Monochromator helps in isolating the wavelength to be measured from that of any other external emission. Photodetector is an optical type of detector which convert the optical wavelength into electrical output. Finally, the recording system, which light radiations produced in the source of emission involves transforming the external signal produced by the selected radiation in the photosensitive element into a reading which is related to the concentration of the solution under analysis. Flame photometer, it is a qualitative and quantitative type of method. The wavelength of color of unknown sample indicate the qualitative analysis, and the color intensity indicate how much of the element present in the unknown sample is indicated as quantitative analysis. Advantages of flame photometer are determination of alkali and alkaline earth metals, Small sample is also enough for the analysis purpose. It is an inexpensive type of instrument. Disadvantages of flame photometer are this equipment is not suitable for higher concentration. Molarities is required for determining the concentration. It's having low accuracy and low precision. Applications of flame photometer are in agriculture, in health industry and in food industry. Some applications are to identify the potassium from soil, measurement of calcium in DNA, measurement of sodium, potassium, calcium from plant, measurement of lithium in salvia, measurement of calcium in fresh fruit, measurement of lithium in sea water, measurement of sodium and potassium in cheese. This is the one example of flame photometer. Make Laptronics, model number LT65. It is a digital type of flame photometer. From this type of flame photometer, we can identify the unknown percentage of sodium, potassium, lithium. These are the some references used while doing this video. Thank you for your patient listening and watching this video. Once again, thank you and keep learning.